Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest hiring off campus and walk-in drive from Accenture, RT Camp and Swiggy. Like and share the video. This hiring is one of the biggest opportunity. RT Camp posted the different opportunity for freshers batch for campus marketing and design. They are hiring very freshers batch. Just see that they are providing 6 lakh to 12 lakh per year is the salary. Python engineer trainee as well as the React engineer trainee. Okay, in office Pune is the location. You can click on apply now button. Just see that this is the knowledge you have and must have this technology. Application process is shortlist, interview and offer. So important details is probation period of 6 months, 50,000 rupees CTC per month, between 12 lakh to 18 lakh per year. July 24 is the start date. In office Pune. Student from CS, CE, IT backgrounds are welcome to apply. There is no lock-in or any bond required for RT Camp. One of the most important point, if you are shortlisted, you will be conducted over Zoom. Okay, and student will receive the interview schedule. 4 vacancies are there, but student available to join in July 24. Student eligibility is solid understanding of computer fundamental, well maintain GitHub profile. They even not about any batch, mention about batch. So if you are from 21, 22, 23, 24, apply for that. Same if you apply for the opportunity, just see that job status is Python engineer trainee. I already applied, shortlisted for job, interview schedule or interview passed. Same it is for React engineer trainee. 6 to 12 lakh is the package. Okay, 12 to 18 lakh per year salary on confirmation. This is one of the biggest hiring. Next opportunity is from Swiggy. They are hiring for machine learning data science intern. 24-25 batch can apply. Okay, you have to fill this form and apply for the opportunity. Okay, and they even mention the year of graduation, before 24 or after 25. This is also mentioned, but I suggest you to 24-25 can apply. Next opportunity is from Esparkbiz. They are hiring for 25 batch. 80 openings is there. Junior software developer. Many technologies are there. Free training plus stipend of 3.6 to 5 LPA. Apply for opportunity. Okay, next hiring is from TGH Software Solution walk-in drive. Okay, 23, 22, 21, 2020, 2019 can apply. Walk-in drive date is 4th to 6th July, and just see that it is on 2 office, Hyderabad office as well as Noida office. So apply for opportunity. Last opportunity is from Accenture in India. They officially announced the biggest opportunity for 21 to 24 batch. Okay, who have graduated between 21 and 24. So 21, 22, 23, 24 can apply. It is official post by Accenture. So apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.